everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you 10 different styles of paper quilling flower in advanced technique. So you are going to learn different techniques using basic quilling methods, and they look super pretty and very attractive. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with my first flower, and to make first petal I am taking 1/4 strip of pink colored 3 mm. For all the flowers I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So we need total 2 small teardrops. Now to make big teardrop I am taking half strip of pink color. Now I am joining all 3 petals together. Then here I am taking my small bottle cap, which is having 1.3 centimeter diameter, and around this I am going to wrap one off-white colored strip to make one ring. Just secure the end and pinch on both the sides to make the leaf ring, and inside this leaf I am going to attach my pink color petals. So this is done, and in the same way we need total 5 petals to make one flower. You can increase or decrease the number of petals according to your requirements. And in the center of the flower I am adding half cut white color pearl. And the first flower is ready, very pretty. Now I am proceeding to the second one. So here I am taking one more big bottle cap, which is having 1.5 centimeter diameter, and I am going to wrap one light green color strip around this and making one teardrop shape ring. Then to make scroll I am taking 4 pieces of 1/4 strip purple color, gathering it all together, folding from the center, and then I will start rotating it from one corner using pointed tweezer, just chopping the bottom part to make it in the level, and the scroll is ready. I'm just attaching the scroll inside my teardrop ring. And then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark peach color and making one tight coil. And I am going to stick this tight coil exactly in the bottom part, and exactly in the center of the scroll I am adding small size half cut pearl. So the petal is ready. I am joining total 6 petals to create the flower. Again, for the center of the flower I am adding half cut pearl, and the beautiful scroll flower is ready. Then I am starting with the third flower, and for this first I am taking 1/4 strip of white color 3 mm, making one bended teardrop shape. In the same way I have prepared one more bended teardrop. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of black color and making one leaf shape, joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using white colored strip. Like this. Then I am taking half strip of black color 3 mm and making one semicircle, which should be nicely bended, and inside this I am adding my petal, then wrapping this whole petal using black color strip. And one petal is ready. So I'm joining total 7 petals to create my flower. For the center of the flower I'm adding white color dome shape which is made using one strip, and this is done. Then I'm starting with my next flower. So here I'm taking pink color 3 mm strip and I'm making 4 loops in increasing order like this. This is super easy to make. Chopping the excess strip, securing it using glue, and in the same way we need total 4 loops to make one petal. So I'm joining all 4 petals together and wrapping this using yellow color strip. And the petal is ready. So I'm going to join the other 6 petals to make my flower. And in the center of the flower I'm adding yellow color tight coil which is made using one strip. The beautiful and very gorgeous flower is ready. Then I'm proceeding to the next flower, and for this I'm taking half strip of dark peach color and making one cone shape using pencil. Adding glue inside this cone, and then I'm going to join the cones together in round shape to make the flower. So it depends on your strip thickness and the size of the cone, how much cone you need for one flower. But approximately you need 20 cones for one flower. So I'm just completing this. And this is done, and in the center of the flower I'm adding one white color tight coil which is made using one strip, and this is done. Similarly you can create this kind of bird shape for the half fan, and for this I have used 1/4 strip to make one cone, and this is done. Now for the next flower I am taking one strip of dark blue color in 3 mm and making one cone shape again, filling it with glue. Then I'm flattening it by pinching the cone like this and twisting it little bit. Do it very carefully, though our glue is wet, so you have to be careful. And in the same way I have created 5 in light blue color and 5 in dark blue color. Now alternatively I'm just assembling everything, and in the center of the flower I'm adding this fringe flower in red color, and this is done. Then proceeding to the next flower. So here I am taking half strip of dark yellow color and making one semicircle. Similarly I have prepared one more. Then I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one semicircle. Similarly I have prepared one more, and then I am taking half strip of off-white color and making one semicircle. So already prepared one more off-white semicircle. Then for the center of the petal I am taking one strip of orange color and making one leaf shape. Then around this leaf I am going to add my semicircles in the color gradation, that is dark yellow, then light yellow, and then off-white from both the sides. Then wrapping this whole petal using dark orange color strip, or you can also use red color strip. Securing the end and the petal is ready. I am going to join total 5 petals to make one flower. For the center of the flower, I have already prepared this big tight coil which is made using 3 strips, and this is done. Now I am starting with the next flower. So here I am taking light purple color strip and making 5 loops in increasing order, 5 to 6 loops approximately. Just secure the end using glue and then pinching this loop in one direction and carving it little bit. Similarly, I have prepared some in light purple and some in dark purple shade. So alternatively, I am connecting these petals and creating a fan kind of shape. Like this. Now for the bottom of the flower, I have already prepared this sepal, which is a simple triangle shape made using one strip of light green color and added one small piece of strip of light green color with this. So I am attaching this with flower and this is done. Now I am starting with the next flower, and to create small size petal I am taking 1/4 strip of blue color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one bended teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Then I am taking one strip of blue color and making one teardrop dome shape. Just adding glue in the dome. Then I am taking half strip of white color and making one bended semicircle. And then I am joining all the parts together to make my petal. Wrapping this whole petal using dark blue colored strip. Then I am joining total 5 petals together to make my flower. And for the center of the flower, I have already prepared this dark blue tight coil which is made using 2.5 strips, and this is done, looking very cute. Then I am starting with my last flower, that is the 10th flower. This is called the rainbow flower. I have named it like a rainbow flower because I am using 7 strips, 7 colors of strip to make this. So first I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple color, making one teardrop shape, then taking 1/4 strip of lavender color and making one bended petal, just attaching these two parts together. After that I am taking half strip of light blue color and making one bended semicircle. Then I'm taking half strip of light green color and again making bended semicircle. Here I'm going in the way like whip gear. That means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and then red. So here I am taking yellow color, one strip making one bended leaf shape. Then I am taking dark orange color in one strip and making one big bended leaf shape. And then at the end I am taking red color in one strip and making one more bended leaf shape. Then I am joining all the petals in a rainbow color manner. And the petal is ready, wrapping this whole petal using dark red color strip. And this is done. So I am joining total 5 petals together to make one flower and adding half cut pearl in the center. And this is also ready. So all 10 beautiful flowers are ready with the new techniques. So in this way you can create your own flower designs using some basic quilling techniques and you can create magics in your projects. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.